Rent smarter with Heather Delamarter in lovely Vero Beach. Introducing a Berkshire Hathaway, Florida Realty rental property. To schedule your own tour, call 772-321-3056. Escape on the ocean this season 2023-24! Turnkey Furnished Just. Book now and select your travel plans, and we will see you in Vero this fall/winter. Now booking an Oceanfront Top Floor Unit at Ocean Club 2. A rebuilt building in 2021. This penthouse unit offers sunrise to sunset views with a large covered balcony. Kitchen with granite counters. Light and bright with Coastal Decor. Offering 2 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms. All new impact glass doors and windows. Extra storage. Washer and dryer.